Welcome to the exciting world of 3D printing. In this video, we're going to talk about the most popular filament in the world, PLA. If you just got your first 3D printer, this episode is for you. PLA stands for polylactic acid. This material is made from natural sources like corn starch. That's why it's easy to print, odor-free, and environmentally friendly. Advantages: very easy to print. No enclosure required. Smooth surface with high detail. Affordable with a wide range of colors. Disadvantages: low heat resistance, softens above ~60°C. More brittle compared to PETG or ABS. Not ideal for industrial or mechanical parts. Types of PLA. This is the basic version, affordable, accessible, perfect for beginners. Uses: simple models, toys, prototypes. Example, small figurines, decorative parts. PLA plus strong PLA. Stronger and less brittle than standard PLA. Uses: light functional parts like phone holders. Example, brackets, clamps, small handles. Silk PLA. Very shiny finish that hides layer lines. Uses: display models and artistic designs. Example, decorative statues for desk. Matte PLA. Matte and professional finish, hides layers nicely. Uses: architectural models and parts requiring premium looks. Example, product prototypes. PLA wood. Contains wood fibers, looks and smells like wood. Uses: nature-inspired crafts and art. Example, photo frames, home decor. Marble stone PLA. Stone-like appearance, great for premium projects. Uses: replicas of sculptures, historical models. CF PLA. Much stiffer, stronger, and lighter. Uses: functional mechanical and robotics parts. Example, servo mounts, strong clamps. Warning sign #hardened steel nozzle recommended. High temp PLA. Can withstand ~100°C if annealed. Uses: parts exposed to heat or sunlight. Example, dashboard clips, cases for gadgets. If you're a beginner and want the best starting experience, PLA is your #1 choice. Unless you need high mechanical or heat resistance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.